orange is your favourite colour, Calendula is certainly the cut flower that you should be having around you all the time. Believe it or not, she's also edible, and she is a symbol when it comes to the language of flowers, of course. It means that I am thinking of you, and you could also gift it as a cut flower when it comes to sympathy tributes. She is absolutely divine. Yes, she is female, so always remember to cut the stem on an angle, like so. And she's also an insect repellent, believe it or not. And if you're after a cut flower for the day of the week, Calendula stands for the day, Sunday. I wonder why, because if you look closely at it, it looks a bit like the sun, doesn't it? Sundays are my favourite day of the week. Now, if you're into the zodiac signs, Calendula, Ms Calendula, stands for Leo, believe it or not. So if you've got a Leo in your life, maybe you should start investing in Ms Calendula. Now, Ms Calendula has lots and lots of cousins. She comes from the Asteraceae family, and I'll just name a few of her cousins. Gerbera is one of them, Chrysanthemum is another, Zinnia is another, and the list is so long because Asteraceae, the family tribe, is the biggest, well, one of the biggest tribes in the cut flower kingdom. So if you want to pick on Ms Calendula, you might have to think twice because she has a lot of cousins that have her back. And on that note, it's a wrap, blossoms.